Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? Let's get the camera up out of chest level. There we go. Hope all are well. Going to be doing a giveaway drawing, but I found this park here, which I'll give you a little quick tour on Google Maps yesterday at work. And I'm always looking for a good quiet place to shoot my videos. I do sound like a power saw nearby, but we'll just have to make do. I didn't see a lot of traffic on the road, even though it's Labor Day. But yeah, I'll give you a quick tour. So first of all, I have access to a outhouse and a garbage can, should nature call. And I've got a nice big field right next to me, which let's go and take a look. I'm actually seeing this for the first time, other than pre-turning the camera on. Excuse the camera movement, but we're right underneath some power lines, but I could probably, oops, camera legs are dragging. It might be a dog park. It's a lot of space to work with. Got fenced over there under the power line. Baseball field across the way. Nice. Potentially some resources in the woods here. Little chunk of green. I could probably easily do, like, you know, tent review or some other kind of thing out here. This, if I can speak, should have been where, wow, cannot talk. Should have been where I brought my White Hills gear tent. Nice wide open space. Lots of potential. As you can see, I've got basketball courts available to me. Should I get myself a basketball? You know, it's actually good exercise, you know, running after a ball. I've got playground equipment, which doesn't really interest me. Swing set doesn't really interest me, but you know, it's still nice. But there's one picnic table, so I could do videos there, maybe, if there's not too many people around. And as I've said, a little bit of green. Potential resources. I see a dead standing tree. There might be fallen limbs I could throw in the back of the truck, but I think this will work. You know, if there are a bunch of people here, I can always move on. I actually found another place too on Google Maps, which I'll show you right now. Alright, so I got to the end of the road here. Unfortunately, I didn't know that because I couldn't see it on Google Maps. And when I did a zoom in on Google Earth, the Google car doesn't drive on pavement. So, because I wanted to park there at the end and then walk up and then into the woods. I mean, I know how to get there from the other side, which is not that big a deal, but you know, I don't want to drive in and on their private property and be a douche, because that's not cool. And they don't have a mailbox out here either. Otherwise, I would have maybe hung a note on the outside with my contact info and phone number. Say, hey, I was wondering if I could park at the end and then hike the area. So, you know, I guess you don't know until you get out of here. So, the constant pursuit of where to shoot videos. I'm going back to the park, so you know, this is just a little literally end of the road with excuse the camera jiggle, but I know there's people home there because I could hear them, which, you know, they could come out. What are you doing out here? Like, just a harmless YouTuber, just trying to shoot some vids. So, I don't know, we'll see. Onward and upward. Alrighty, so unfortunately, it's unfortunate about that end of the road, but you know, I'm a little debate what to do. I don't want to knock on the door and ask permission to go there, which would probably be okay, but then who wants some weirdo knocking on the door? So, I'm up for debate. I didn't see a mailbox out there either, otherwise I could have just dropped, you know, hung a note on their mailbox with my name, my phone number, where I live, and my my business card for my channel. Say, you know, this is who I am. This is what I want to do. I basically want to hike the trails, but secretly like go out and make fire in like stoves and cook stuff out in the woods. But like I said, I actually know another way to get to that spot. So, you know, just got to work with what you got. All right. Naturally, I had to park my truck right where the sun is popping right on it. If I was just right here, no problem. But whatever. Sunshine is good for you. All right. So here's what I did. I'll get over what I'm going to give away here in a moment. I wrote down everyone's name who commented on the video, which is why it's a commenter giveaway. And if you commented on the video, you're in. Like I've done the last 2 giveaways now. You know, like I said, it pays to comment. And I dropped a hint in the community tab as well. And so if you commented there, you're also in. Wow, Breeze, you're going to kick in right as I'm doing this. So let me get all these names cut up, and then we'll draw the winner. And then let me get all these cut up, and then I'll show you what I'm going to give you, and then I'm going to draw the name and see. Alrighty. So here's all the names, which we'll do momentarily. This is the flint and steel set that I did a video on with the striker. There you go. The tinder, a piece of flint, and the char material. Got this on Etsy, did a video on it. So let me give that away. And I'm also going to throw in the pouch here, which I zoomed in so you could see it better, but I guess I'm going to have to zoom out. And what I've done is I've thrown in a couple pieces of flint. This is not a piece of flint, but it's one of the rocks I collected on the river. That's, you know, one that I collected. And then I've got an extra piece of flint here, and then one that Mark Kratz sent me because he's awesome. And so, because I wanted to throw a couple of extra pieces in along with the set that comes with one. So that's why I was, you know, a little frustrated about the flint I was getting, because I was planning on doing a giveaway, and I kept getting all these, you know, little pieces or just big ass piece, and it's like, dude. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of these flat rate boxes, and your name will go here, and I'm going to just, because it's a flat rate, I'm going to put the items in here, and I'm just going to fill it with as much birch bark and cedar bark that I collected on a previous outing as I can in here, and just tape it all together, stick your name and address on it, and then send it to you. So, flint and steel giveaway. So let's get these well shaken. Oh, one came out. So let's go with that. So we got Juan Simon. So congratulations, brother. I will email you, or just email me, and my email's in the about section, or I'll put it in the description of this video. Send me an email and I'll get you my address, or we'll exchange addresses, and I'll send you the flint and steel set, plus you know, whatever tinder I can squeeze in here, and I might throw a couple bonus items in here as well. All right, so many congrats to Juan. Turn my camera off. Give me that address as soon as I can, and I will mail that off to you as fast as I can. I've actually got 2 more giveaways I'm thinking about that's rolling through my head. So, you know, comment. That's all you gotta do is comment. As always, why can't I talk today? Come on, Mark. Jeez. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment in future videos, and I will catch you in the next one.